So this energy work, it's kind of a conflict. It's not really, it's just people need to understand the difference. Came up the other week, so I just wanted to discuss it so people understand it. So depending on who you are and your level of evolution, your energy either needs to rise or it needs to descend. Star beings that are here to raise the frequency of the planet most likely came in with your kundalini already awakened. If your kundalini's already awakened, we can tell by reading your field and seeing what gateways and chakras are open and activated. That would mean you're 4D and beyond, at least with the capacity to access that, okay? Now, if you're 3D moving into 4D, where the lower chakras and maybe just the heart is open, your energy is going to need to ascend through the system. And that's usually the case until you reach a stable 4D frequency level and embodiment. When you shift into the 5D, your energy starts shifting down. You've already activated the kundalini, higher gateways are active and open. Then the process is anchoring higher frequencies through your body. So people that work with energy healing, when they're shifting energy up the spine, it's usually a process of activating the kundalini, rising the energies, moving people into the higher fields, which is 3D and 4D. That is the safest way to do energy work in 3D and 4D, because if you pull energy down in 3D and 4D, there's a good chance there's a lot of distorted energies in the higher gateways, higher chakras, density, darkness that can actually come through the system, especially if the healer is not completely purified, aligned, and harmonized. They can actually pull in density and darkness through the system, into the spine, into the chakras, gateways, create a lot of distortions. So most people, 3D, 4D, and healers that are not completely pure in their field and their energy, should actually pull energy up the system, unless they've shifted into 5D. People that have the higher gateways open are anchoring into the 5D field. They can actually pull energy down the system through the gateways and chakras, clear the system so it transmutes into the planetary field. Those on the ascension path, star beings, people that have already activated the kundalini, where the whole chakra system is open, activated, higher gateways are open and activated, you guys should be working with energy descending through the system, through the spine. Otherwise, what it was shown to me is kind of like a tube of toothpaste, where your essence gets squeezed out of your body, and then you're all the way in your spiritual essence, and the physical body starts separating, the energies separate from the higher spiritual energies, okay? The ascension process is actually about grounding and bringing your higher spiritual essence into the body, harmonizing the physical body, emotional body, mental body, and spiritual body, okay? So there is a safe way to do energy healing, 3D, 4D healers, and 3D, 4D people that are working on rising the kundalini. Once you get into 5D, the energies shift. You don't want to start going down the system unless you know for sure you are in 5D and you're purified. You have a purified field, chakras, and gateways. Hope that was helpful. Sending love.